I myself, Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Navada. Welcome to your e-learning classes. And now, today I am going to discuss the chapter 2nd of Geography of Class 6. In this chapter, I have already discussed you about latitude and longitudes. Now, today I am going to discuss you the time and longitude. It means prime meridian and time. What is the relation between prime meridian and time also? As longitudes, when we discuss about longitudes are not only helpful to locate a particular position of a place of in eastern or western hemisphere, but these are also helpful to calculate times. It means when we discuss about longitudes, these are not only helpful to locate any places, but these lines also help us to tell the particular time of any place. As we know, the best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon, the planets, and the sun regularly rises and east naturally. So it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. When we discuss about the sun is the best timekeeper throughout the world. And when we talk about local time, the local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunsetting time. It means longest at sunrise and sunset also. When the prime meridian of Greenwich passes in front of the sun, it has the sun at the highest point in the sky, and all the places along the prime meridian or meridian will have midday or noon. As do you know, our earth rotates from west to east. I have already discussed you in this chapter that our earth rotates west to east, and those places east of Greenwich that are located east of the Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time. It means as the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich there, and those to the west will be behind. It means we can say when the prime meridian is always in front of the sun, then the places during that time along those prime meridian will be at the noon time, and those to the west of this meridian will be behind of their time. Now we can see the picture of your book like this. This is the picture of your book, and through which this picture you can locate the place of prime meridian time. Now look attentively the figure of your book, and this picture is being shown to locate the prime meridian time. It means when we see in this picture, we can say here is the prime meridian which divides whole the world into eastern hemisphere and into western hemisphere. and the value of this prime meridian is always counted as at 0 degree. As we go towards the east part, the time of the prime meridian to the east always ahead, but when we go forward towards the east, the time will be behind. It means in east side when we go, time will be ahead, and in west side time will be behind of this meridian. Like this we can say that as the earth rotates from west to east, no, as the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich, it means this is the prime meridian which is located at Greenwich. So those places whose that are east of the Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and rate of the difference those to the west will be behind it. The rate when we compare the rate of differences, when we compare the rates of these differences can be calculated as follows. As we know, the earth rotates 360 degree. I have already discussed you that our earth rotates about 360 degree, like this. Our earth rotates 360 degree. In this picture it has been shown here. So as we know, our earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours. In how many hours? In 24 hours, which means 15 degree and it means 15 degree an hour. It means when our earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, it means if we find the time of an hour, it means 1 hour, so we can say the earth rotates 15 degree an hour. It means 1 degree in 4 minutes. It means every longitudes take 4 minutes time to pass away from one longitude to next longitude. It means it take 4 minutes. And when we calculate this time, thus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be. It means 15 multiple 4. When we find out, we can say there are 60 minutes. How many minutes? There are 60 minutes. It means 60 minutes. So we can say like this: an hour ahead Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. It means 1 post meridian. But at 15 degree west at Greenwich time, the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour. How can we say like this? So we can say like this by the figure of this picture. So 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. but at 15 degree west of Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour. It will be, do you know, it will be 11 a.m. Similarly, at the 100 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. It means this Greenwich. At any place, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. When it is midday, the time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. And now we can say that all the places on a given meridian of longitude have the same local time. Now we come to why do we have a standard time. So when we talk about the standard time, we can say the local time of places which are on different meridians. It means these meridians. So will we, it means which are on the different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare the timetable for trains which cross several longitudes in India. There will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwarika. Where is Dwarika located? Dwarika is located in Gujarat, and Dibrugarh is located in Assam. So we can say necessary to adapt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82.5 degree east, it means 82 degree and 30 degree minute east, is treated as the standard meridian time. It means what is the standard meridian of time our country? 82.5 degree east longitude. No. So it is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. And we can say it is called Indian Standard Time. It means IST. And like this we can say IST of our, it means Indian Standard Time is 82.5 degree east longitude. It means Purvi Deshantar. So now you can follow the chapter, and we have to follow that our world has been divided into 24 hours, 24 time zones. And which country has? Russia. Russia has more time zones. It means Russia has 11 time zones. So now this chapter is here ended, and now we can say that longitudinal lines are not only helpful in locating places, but it also helpful for our calculating time. Okay, now thank you, have a nice day. Try to study yourself and try to follow. Okay.